Hi, I'm Marshall. Sorry that you've missed class. Hope that you are feeling better. I was going to send you a quick video so you could see how to do the double object pronouns that we worked with on Wednesday or on block day. So what you want to do when you log into VHL, go to Content and click on Activities. And that'll take you to the Lección Preliminar, is the default setting. Go all the way down to the bottom and click on Así nos gusta. And make sure over on the side, the tab over here, that it is clicked on All Activities. Not Assigned Only, but All Activities. And then in the Así nos gusta up at the top, you're going to see a group of videos. You want to watch the video that is double object pronouns. I have not tagged it for the entire class to watch, but you can watch it and this will help explain a little bit of the double object pronouns. So just click on that and then you can watch the video with the little guy who describes everything and tells you all about it. Then, once you finish with that, in class, we did another practice, a quick practice for basics of direct object pronouns. If you want to try that, so you want to go to SpanishDictionary.com. Expand the window. So here to SpanishDictionary.com, SpanishDic.com, and over at the top, over on the right, you want to click on Grammar. And then when you get here, scroll your page. They give you a bunch of grammar topics and you want to go to pronouns. Under pronouns, click on Browse Articles. And they give you a whole list of pronoun grammar topics. You want to go to the fourth one, which is direct and indirect object pronouns in Spanish. With these, with this site, it gives you a whole explanation of direct and indirect object pronouns and putting them together. You can go through and read this. And then the practice quiz is down at the very bottom, Start Quiz Now, and it's going to give you a question with the two object pronouns. The direct object is los, indirect object is os, so then you select your answer, in this case, os los devuelvo mañana. Okay, hope this was helpful. Hope you're feeling better. See you soon. Ciao.